Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will share you the top 10 microjob sites or one kind of best freelancing sites for earning money. If you are a beginner, if you are expert or if you are intermediate, there is no problem. You can earn money. If you want to earn money or if you want to do passive income, then you must be follow my video and just see how can you earn and what to do and what you have to do. Okay, just see my video and I think it is very helpful to earn money. If you are finding legit website or if you are finding the trusted website or if you are finding the best website or if you are finding the top world website for earning, then I think this is just for you. Just follow my video and see all the websites which I want to describe with you or I want to share with you. Okay, so let's get started. I want to share with you the fast and foremost website name is Fiverr.com. If you know the Fiverr, I will just go to the Google and search the Fiverr. Here a lot of earning factor here. You can earn money through training courses. You can earn money through buyer or seller. You can earn money like job service. Everything are here. So you want to earn money like affiliate marketing, then go to Fiverr. Fiverr offers a lot of earning opportunities for all types of beginners. Okay, so go to the Fiverr.com and earn money. So just look at this website, Fiverr.com. The next one name is Upwork, like the similar Fiverr. Okay, Upwork also the number one marketplace of the worldwide. If you have skill or if you are a beginner, then no problem. Skill person also get job, beginner person also get job. So this platform is very suitable for you. You can earn money through this platform. Okay, just go to this website. The name is Upwork.com. We are a lot of job service earning, graphic design earning, website development earning, like data and like if you want to sell anything, we are everything around here. Okay, a lot of companies just hiring people, a person for their company. So if you want to do any job, if you want to do full-time jobs, then go to this website. So just look at this website, which I want to share with you. The third one is voicesense.com. The voicesense is very popular website in the world with voicesense. Okay, so voicesense. If you want to do micro jobs like sign up jobs, subscribe like jobs and go to this voicesense. If you want to do survey jobs, then go to this voicesense. Here a lot of small jobs are here and small payers also here. So go to this license.com and earn money from Google. It's like passive income. Okay. Then the phone numbers is very stereo. A lot of software, workplace team, a lot of like service, everything on the studio. You can earn money on the here to the studio or just upload something like that. So I think this is very helpful for you. The next one is VPass. VPass also one kind of job platform, and here a lot of small works are here. You can earn money and you can pay daily. Okay, and a lot of micro jobs here. So a beginner, then this website is very perfect for you. The next one is you can see that SE class. Here also LinkedIn one SE one like Fiverr, similar like Fiverr. 20% only from every successful sale you can get, and here a lot small gigs you can upload, and I think the buyer and seller will hire you can earn money through spending platform. Okay, so the next one is Dark also first Dark also my Twitter platform. Here you can earn money. Here a lot of earning sector of sector are here. You can earn money from Dark. Okay, I will upload this all website review in my next video. Okay, so just wait for my video. How can you work? How can you earn? How can you set up passive earning? I will upload all types of earning related video in my channel, and this website earning video. Okay, so the next one is Clickworker. Clickworker is now the most global self-service marketplace for freelance job opportunities. You can earn money through sign up job, that and job like lead jobs. A lot of jobs are here in Clickworker. If you want to start now or within a minute, then go to Clickworker. I think here a lot of jobs and you can earn money within a second and within a minute. So just payroll and everyday video and everyday. So go to the philipwaka.com. The next one is M3rd, Neutron Technique, Mechanical Third. It's also the genuine and micro job search worldwide. It's owned by the Amazon authorities. So just go to this, with all the legit website I just review. You can earn money. It's the long time process. Okay, this all website of the long time process, and you can also earn money. So every services which you know, if you know the photo editing, then go to here, you can earn money. If you know the data, then go to here, you can earn money. If you want to know, if you know the WordPress developer, if you know the Word point developer, then go to here. All the sectors are here. You can earn money through all the sectors. The next one is the freelancer.com. Freelancer.com oldest and most reputed market job search often freelancing jobs. Here, small to big job are able to here. From just earning money and just follow my video. And subscribe my channel. Always with me. I will update you all the video. And I can guarantee that I will share you video so you can help me to follow my video. Just subscribe my channel and always with me. I will share with you every secret, tips and tricks, likes, marketing, video marketing, everything. I'll share with you. Okay. So thank you very much for watching my video.